Good day to everyone who's watching the video. So what we are going to discuss here about is monitoring social distancing using unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV. They are precious technologies and has wide range of applications in smart farming, cloud monitoring, etc. We as a team explored on existing drone monitoring studies so that we can make a better reliable model. We have compared a total of 6 models and reached on to conclusion. As I mentioned, this kind of approach might help us in controlling the spread of COVID-19 to some extent. This is a very difficult task because the chances of disease spreading are very high, and with the help of research, technology and science, we believe that we can tackle a solution for it. And also, the greater these operations are designed and executed, the better the chances of prevention will be.
The two major processes involved in monitoring social distancing are pedestrian detection and distance calculation. We get the video input from surveillance system and then converts the video input into image sequences. The model runs the detection on these images and then calculates the distance. After knowing which people are breaking the social distancing, we mark them with a red bounding box. There are a wide variety of pre-trained pedestrian detection models available, and these models are needed to be deployed in surveillance systems like UAV, CCTV, etc. We need a model that requires low processing power, and our model need to be fast in real-time detection. Choice of selecting our model based on speed of detection and computational power. The models we selected are SSD Inception, SSD MobileNet, TinyYOLO, YOLO V4, RFCN and RCNN. After getting our detection on these models, we filtered out the detection for only the class person, and then we calculated confusion matrix MAP and the time required to do the detection for each model.
The approach we have used for the calculation of distance is based on the conversion of perspective view into the bird's eye view. For this conversion, we have taken 4 points in the image sequence which corresponds to the 4 vertices of the rectangle in real life. By applying the image processing techniques, we can get the transformation matrix which can map the marked region into bird's eye view. By passing the lower mid coordinates of the bounding boxes through this transformation matrix, we can get their mappings in the bird's eye view, and the distances between the detected persons can be obtained in image pixels. These distances can be converted into real life distances by calculating the ratio of the image which is obtained by dividing a real life length in metric units with corresponding length in units of pixels.
As stated before, we selected 6 models for pedestrian detections, namely SSD MobileNet, SSD Inception, Faster RCNN, RFCN, TinyYOLO and YOLO V4. From our results, we actually found out that YOLO V4 and RFCN had a higher accuracy but took a longer time for detections, while TinyYOLO and SSD MobileNet were fast, however were low in accuracy. For the evaluation of our 2 distance approaches, we compared our distance calculation with the ground truth distance. This graph shows the error in calculating the distance from both the approaches. The mean error for the Euclidean distance approach is 2.84 meters, and for the bird's eye view approach is 1.05 meters. As it was evident from the graph, the bird's eye view is a more accurate way of calculating the distance. Hence, in the conclusion, we would like to say that so far no ideal tool for monitoring social distancing has been implemented, and this project is a small step to reach that goal. With advanced pedestrian detection models and using advanced algorithm for distance estimation, we were able to make an accurate social distancing monitoring system that can be deployed on surveillance systems like UAV and CCTVs.